Good afternoon, Chet Porter with MarineMax Savannah. Just want to take a minute to take you through this 2017 190 fish. The boat is a center console with leaning post with cooler. The boat has tilt steering, a Jensen stereo with Bluetooth capability and app ready. Boat has lots of storage in the front, an anchor locker, 2 storage compartments forward, and then a really neat feature of the center console. The console opens and you can have a changing room. We've also installed porta potties in this area, so it's a really lot of versatility in this boat as far as storage is concerned. But it has rod holders on either side, cushioned gunnels. And moving back to the transom, we have flip-up jump seats with storage underneath. The boat is equipped with a live well, 13-gallon live well. Over here we have another jump seat, and then your battery switch is located in the rear storage compartment. This boat has a 1.8 liter high output Yamaha 4-stroke engine. Stern seating. Then also you have a clean out hatch for your engine. And then on the other side, a 5-gallon bucket storage for your cast net or whatever you may have. So if you're interested in this 190 Yamaha fish, give us a call. MarineMax Savannah, 912-897-9881. Thank you.